Hello all. In this video, we will see how to create a drop-down in MS Excel. So, for this, I have taken some sample. So for this exercise, what we will do, we have a country segment. As you can see on the left hand side, I have a list of country names and some segment, and also yes and no as a list. So now there are two options to create a drop down list in MS Excel. One, you can directly manually enter the values in the drop down, or you can use the list as I have mentioned here. So let's check it out how to go into the Excel ribbon here in the data. Then you have to use this data validation option. Click on it. You will see a data validation. Then you have to say allow. You have to click on the drop down and say list. You have to select the value as list. On the source, you can mention whatever value you want to mention, and also for values you have to mention as comma. So for this question, do you have smartphone? I have directly mentioned the value as yes, no, or NA, and I'll click on OK. So now you can see a drop down has been appear here with those three values that I have mentioned on the list. So if I select yes, value will appear here. For example, NA, now the value has appeared here. So in case I want to edit this drop down, again I have to go to this data validation. Data validation, I have to select it. Then I have to go again back to the source and have to do the modification. So another option I was saying about was the list. So I can click on this icon and then I can select the yes or no. So now you can see a range has been entered into this source, and if I say OK, now yes and no values are appearing. Similarly, if I do for country, again data validation, then I have to select the list. In the source, I will say this, and now you can see A2 to A6, it has taken a range in a source, and I'll click on OK. Now those values are now appearing on my drop down. So if I change the value here, let's say now you will see automatically those value will get updated in my drop down. Same for segment, we can use the data validation list, and then again selecting the source and saying this and OK. Now all those values now appearing in a drop down. Yeah. So in this video we have seen how to create a drop down value using a list and manually. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching it. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.